Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can view the stats of your blog posts on Blogger. This is where you can see it. So go to stats, and my all-time views is 771. Last month it is 1. I have 14 posts and I have 1 comment. You can also see the comment here. You can also adjust if you want to remove it, mark this comment as spam, or just delete it. Here's the full comment. I only have 1. If you go to 14 posts, it's just going to go back to posts, and that's pretty much how you can view your stats. You can find the latest post, a memoir. This is the, I think, name of my page. So you can do maybe all time. Maybe you'll find it here. You'll see this this sort of, this one and this one has the most views. And that's pretty much how you can view stats on Blogger. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!